Among its most frequent causes, one can mention inappropriate use of fire, unruly wiring and equipment exploitation, as well as recklessness. Not only do fires cause casualties, but also considerable material loss. Many could be avoided using non-flammable building materials. In recent years, the European Union has tightened old and introduced new requirements concerning use of building materials in public places, such as schools, nurseries, sports halls and hospitals. In order to comply with the highest European requirements regarding fire safety, Swiss Krono Group has developed the production technology of non-flammable OSB. OSB boards have been examined in the Certified Institute in Germany and have been given BS2 D0 classes of non-flammable material. How can we assess possible reaction of a building product to fire, its potential flammability? It's enough to check its Euro class. It contains all the essential information regarding product's reaction to fire. Each building product is given one of 7 basic fire Euro classes. Such ranking system is clear and well understood. The best and the safest products are included in Euro classes A1, A2 and B. Further classes, up to F, include materials of worse fire performances. Swiss Krono Group products are included in Euro class B. Main criterion of assigning products to particular classes is the amount and rate of heat emission. 2 additional classes complete the classification. These are smoke production and flaming droplets and particles. Regarding smoke production, Swiss Krono Group OSB boards obtained class S2. And regarding flaming droplets and particles, the OSB boards obtained D0 class. In order to show the resistance of Swiss Krono Group wood-based non-flammable OSB boards to fire, fire trials were carried out using standard and non-flammable OSB. For trial purpose, 2 office rooms were set up. The first room was built of Swiss Krono Group non-flammable OSB. The second room was built of standard OSB. The test was aimed at presenting a hypothetical situation in which fire was set in exemplary office spaces. Fire is started. Once the fire is set, the stopwatch is started. The thermal vision photos show changes in temperatures inside individual rooms. The chart, made on the basis of the thermal vision photos, compares temperatures of flames. Standard OSB boards begin to burn. Flames spread quickly and reached a corner of a room. Let's look at the screen showing the standard OSB test. The fire has moved to the outer side of the model and keeps spreading. Temperature in the room is growing. It can be noticed that non-flammable OSB remains unaffected despite constant exposition to fire. Temperature slightly raises. Thermovision photos and the chart clearly show that the temperature constantly rises in the room made of standard OSB boards. After a relatively short time, sudden explosion of flames takes place, and mixture of gases sets itself alight. Temperature at the time of the blow exceeds 1000 degrees Celsius. The fire spreads and destroys the entire construction. Firemen enter the scene to extinguish the fire. The room made of standard OSB boards is burned completely. In case of non-flammable OSB boards, only the outer layer of the non-flammable OSB was carbonized, creating a safe shell protecting it from fire. The fire does not spread. The flame goes out when the burner is turned off. The room made of non-flammable OSB was basically intact. No fire burst was held and no items inside the room suffered any damage. Examining the site of the fire, one can realize the devastating impact of fire on standard materials. Swiss Krono Group recommends the use of non-flammable OSB.